Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a group text on your iPhone and name it. At first we need to open the Messages application, and here we have to now go back to the Messages and tap this notes with a pen icon at the bottom right corner. Here now we have to add the contacts you want to message, for example here and plus, etc. Of course we have to have contacts saved. As you can see, I don't have any because I don't have here the iMessage contacts, a lot of them. But here we can add contacts. Of course, you have to remember that all participants must be using the iMessage, which is the blue bubbles, to enable group naming and advanced features. If any participant uses SMS, which is the green bubbles, you won't be able to name the group. But here, as you can see, we can add some contacts, and afterwards you have to open the group conversation you have just created, tap the top of the conversation where the contacts are listed, tap info, which is the info icon, and tap change name and photo and enter the group name. Then tap done and it should work. But to send the message at first and create a group, you have to tap here when you have your contact selected. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.